Uline utility carts are great for use in warehouses, stockrooms, and offices. They have two trays perfect for keeping contents in place. With a load capacity of 500 pounds, they can handle bulky and heavier items with ease. The durable polyethylene surface won't dent, chip, or rust. Their handles are reinforced for durability, and the handle tray organizes pens and small tools. They also feature rounded corners to prevent damage to passageways. Uline offers a variety of colors to help color code by product process or department. Utility carts are available with 5-inch smooth-rolling rubber casters that won't mark or damage floors, or 8-inch shock-absorbing pneumatic casters that roll easily over rough, uneven surfaces. Uline offers accessories to customize your cart, including a trash bin, power strip, and utility hooks. Uline utility carts are made in the USA. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.